What's going on, guys? I thought I'd give you a little bit of an update on my general investing account as it's nearly been 2 weeks since the last update. So if we go onto see the Vanguard fund, it's basically been flat within the past week. What has happened to my portfolio in that past, in the past week and a bit that since the last update? Well, since then, if we go over, you can see that I sold my 2 shares of Nvidia. So I bought at 120, sold at 125 for a slight profit. I was going to hold Nvidia because it that was a good price to buy in at. But then I was like, oh, I just liked my Tesla. I just love my Tesla position too much. I really want to get to 500 shares. I'm nearing in on 500 shares. I think I'm at 471 shares. So I'm getting close to the 500 shares across my 2 accounts. So I just want to get to my 500 shares, and then after I do that, then I will sort out other stocks, and then I'll look at Nvidia amongst other stuff. So yeah, obviously some of these shares you would have seen an increase in when I did my total portfolio update, across both accounts. But I just thought, here's what's happened since the last general investing account update. So, I bought, half a share, I bought another 1.5 shares there. So I bought 2 shares there. And then I also, bought another 2 shares, just yesterday. So since the last update, I have bought 4 more shares of Tesla in this account. So what does that mean for my position? Well, in my last, update, it was about £27,000. If we go into my Tesla position now, we see because the share price has just gone down about 11% over the last week. Obviously, I've gone up from 87 shares to 91 shares. Although I added 4 shares, my balance basically has gone down from about £27,000 to £26,000. And unfortunately, my return is not looking as good, only up 44.68%, up £8,000. Now, a lot of that's still fine, considering a lot of that gain came from, when I was buying earlier in the year when it was in the $200 range. Because of the way this account works, is it's only extra money above the £20,000. I only get to buy at certain points. So most of the year, I'm not even putting into this account. It's only recently where I've started to put into this account at these higher prices. That's massively shot up my average price, and thus lowered my return, as you guys can see. So what my plan is for this account is to get to 100 shares. So I have 100 shares in my general investment account, and then I'll have 400 shares in my ISA account, because by the time I've got to 100 shares in this account, it should be roughly April, and then I'll be able to put some more money into my ISA account and get that up to 400 shares, because it's at like 382 now. And then, obviously I'll reassess and I'll make a video what's next after I hit the big 500, because that ever since I started investing in Tesla, that is the goal. Well, originally when I first started investing in Tesla, it was about 150. It was about 100. Well, it was 100 shares pre-split. Then the split happened, and I beat that. So that was at 300. Post split, and then obviously I just rounded that up from 300 to 500. Once I hit 500, I'll still put money in, but that won't be my long-term holdings. Any money I put into Tesla past 500 shares will just be because it's a good value. And so say I buy, after the 500 shares, I buy Tesla at $400 a share, and it goes up to 800. Then that leaves me the room to sell and then put into a house, because I am looking to buy a house soon. So obviously nothing said in this video can be taken as financial advice. This is just my personal thinking and what my approach right now is going to be. So yeah, just make sure you do your own research, guys, because as you guys can see, it can turn bad very fast. As you guys see, it was over $400 a share, and now bloom, it's shot back down to 357. Obviously, I'm still in the green by 44.68%. Hopefully that will continue, and it will stay that way. But anyway, guys, thank you. I just thought I'd give you a quick update on my general investing account. I know it's fallen under the radar recently, so I know I'm sorry I don't have much more for you. That's the problem with being only in on Tesla, is I don't have other stocks to show you, which is something that I will change when I get to 500 shares. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe like over 90% of you guys watching my videos aren't subscribed. So please let's change that. Please let's try and get that to at least 50-50. So please smash that subscribe button, like the video, and comment down below. I do answer every single comment, so I do reply to all of your comments, guys. I really care about what you guys think about building community on this channel. So that's it for me today, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.